keep spreading awareness, and yeah, we pray for better days.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Back to that Jesus, amen. Amen. Back to that Kemens, back to that patience. Imagine Ndaremerwa. I want Ndaremerwa.
Alright, guys, so today we've got Holy 10. Holy 10. Ndaremerwa. Guys, I saw a bit on IG and it was banging, bro. That was the lyrics, the message, the situation, the whole video, bro. The whole video's got a powerful message, bro.
Okay,
God.
is it relating to
what's
happening?
It's kind of, but yeah, it's kind of relating. But yeah, it's got. You see, I think he's supposed to like drop a explanation of what he's talking about exactly, what the video is about. But then from the lyrics, you can just see that it's about Zim. It's about what's happening in Zim, bruh. Yeah, in the bus there's a doctor, a priest, a slave king, a basketball player. In this bus there are smartphones and drugs. In this bus there is grief. In this bus there is deceit. In this bus there is no intended destination. In this bus, Ndaremerwa.
Okay.
Exactly. You see, bro. There's so much happening in this video. That's crazy, and there's so much happening in Zim, guys. If you don't know what's happening, please wake up.
Wake up!
Open social media and find out what's happening, guys. Pray for Zim, bro.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so hey, let me stop talking too much and let's just get straight into the video. Holy 10, Ndaremerwa. Let's get straight to it. Yes, sir. You ever heard of Holy 10 before?
No, it's my first time.
It's your first time? Hold up. You don't know Holy 10, bro?
Maybe when we listen.
Nah. Okay, after this one, I'm doing Can't. After this, if you've heard that song before, guys, I'm pretty sure I'll upload this at the same time. But yeah, let's get straight to it.
Yeah, 10. I'm texting bright teacher like bang, my D. He texting me back like what's happening, my D. Say go, my D.
This is the editing. Yeah, the same people, bro. This him is going crazy right now, bro. Him is going crazy with bro. Check. So there's the priest. There's a priest, a basketball player, the slave king, and what. But yeah, but let's have some flow.
Yeah, 10. I'm texting bright teacher like bang, my D. He texting me back like what's happening, my D. Seko my D, seko sengo my Z. These days utambira cool, cash talk my one be patao. These days as romira mush, graduate rawandisa gown. Doyacho zedi utapuse, doyacho, pack to the grind over pressure, pack to the mind over metal, pack back to mukira town uchifamba uchiradza udogeza, pack to the jeso apa amen, back to the Kemens, back to the patience. Imagine Ndaremerwa. I want Ndaremerwa. To anybody still informed too, everything you learn is not true.
Okay.
To everybody who's informed true, not everything you learn is true.
It's true for you.
Facts, bro. How many people have got I'm graduates? There are too many graduates in Zim.
Yeah.
How many people have got degrees and stuff like that?
But they are in the streets.
They're in the streets. They don't have jobs. It's crazy,
so
bro.
These days, you
have to be street smart, bro. And the thing is, to make money, you have to go into town. Our programs have been on town. Bro, how? It doesn't make sense, bro. It doesn't make sense. But as right out to school, yeah, you can get your education. Education is good, right?
Yeah, it's good.
But then you're always gonna need that hustle. That hustle.
To anybody still informed too, everything you learn is not true. If anything you learn is no proof, then everything you learn is no use. Sha, tese takadzidza neshasha tese tikadzika neshasha padhaza sichas yakatanga angopisa tese tikabvisa mabacha rasta pamba pano shuga yakapera hapana chandibvunza kwandaswera ichangoti wangu pane njuga dzandapeta izvo pana kuleva ndasecha mangwana ndakamuka ndakaneta ichamba chandakweva chasangana neguka randasveta atongova guka maka
the flow, the lyrics, bruh.
Ane meaning,
Hanzi
dzandapeta izvo pana chandibvunza kwandaswera ichangoti wangu pane njuga dzandapeta izvo pana kuleva ndasecha.
That's what's happening, guys.
Exactly. That's true.
That's how people are getting money.
Kuti unongonyepa but inochozoti pane kulwa watosecha mutauro.
Pana watosecha, pana watoti pane njuga dzatorowa kuti was Holy 10, he's sleeping Holy 10, bro. Bruh.
mangwana ndakamuka ndakaneta ichamba chandakweva chasangana neguka randasveta yatongova guka makafela dai matogara guva makachera ndakuona profeta yavambondinongera tsono ndakusona pocket ndakushoka shortage ndakubvawo pacottage monazi daudyawo masoseji
Bruh, Mona's not watching a sausage. Not everyone is living lavish, bro. Zim. Alright, I think let's just go.
Shortage ndakubvawo pacottage monazi daudyawo masoseji yatongova guka makafela dai matogara guva makachera.
One by one, they're now disappearing. Do you get the meaning? I hope you guys get the meaning behind what's happening, guys.
Yeah.
Like one by one, and go matugara makachera, one by one, or by, and that is what's happening in Zim, guys. One by one. Bro, pray for Zim, guys. Pray for Zim,
pray
bro.
for Zim.
Shout out to Holy Tim for this song, bro. Ndaremerwa and Joshua Ndaremerwa because I was anyanya plus anyanya.
It's a
Bro, it's
so aniza to gareta chira
magama chira. Guys, bro. Personally, guys, I would suggest. I know we're pausing a whole lot, guys. But just go listen to the song.
Yeah.
Listen to the song again, guys. I might just go. We might just repeat the song, guys.
Yeah, the song is too much. It's dope.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm doing this for Zim guys. One more time. I'm sorry. But this is touching.
10. I'm texting Bright Asia like bam, my D. He texting me back like what's happening, my G. Sego my D, Sego circle, Sego single my Z. These days utambira coupe, cash talk my one be per down. These days as Romira mush, graduate one this account. Doyacho zedi utapusi, doyacho back to the grind over pressure.
Graduate one this account.
Dude, that's the thing,
one this account.
Because degree ratio hapana zvaru.
Hey, abonongwashanda school fees, bro. How much do you? It's crazy. It's really crazy, bro.
Back to the mind of a metal.
Like, I read something. Was it I'm forgetting who posted Ajiti. It's sad to see. I think it was Daryl. I think it was Daryl on IG. I was like, it's sad that my motivation is to get out of them. Mm-hmm. Like that shouldn't be a motivation for someone doing for a rising star to say your motivation should be to run away from home. Mm-hmm. That shows that something is definitely wrong, bro. It shows, bro, it's crazy, bro.
everybody's still informed too. Everything you learn is not true. If anything you learn is no proof, then everything you learn is catch up. Rasta pamba pano shuga yakapera, hapana chandibvunza kwandaswera. Ndichangoti wangu pane njuga dzandapeta, izvo pana kule vandasecha. Mangwana ndakamuka ndakaneta, ichamba chandakweva chasangana neguka randasveta. Yatongova guka makafela, dai matogara guva makachera. Ndakona profet, yavambondinongera tsono, ndakusona pocket, ndakushoka shortage, ndakubvawo pacottage, monazi daudyawo masausage.
Bro, guys, please, bro, nah, guys, please comment down below.
Comment down
Zimbabwean
below,
lives matter. Free Zimbabwe, guys. Please, guys, please stay woke. Pay attention to what's happening in this country.
Yes, sir.
I guess that's it for the reaction.
I hope you liked it.
I hope you like it. Sorry, my bad. I hope you like it. I hope you share it with your friends. And yeah, I hope you keep spreading the tag. Keep spreading awareness, and yeah, we pray for better days.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pack to that Jesu up, amen. Amen. Pack to that Kemens, pack to that patience. Imagine, Ndaremerwa. I want Ndaremerwa.